This is a John Deere 6000 6010 series front wheel assist. It's an APL 2035. The actual manufacturing part number for it is AL81922. This will, in its ratio is 15.89. So this fits or will replace a lot of different applications. The biggest difference between the APL and the AS series is where your steering cylinders fittings hook in. So you see those are on top. These are on the edge. They'll both interchange. This is the newer version. If you had this and went to this, you either just change your lines, or there is a little quote conversion set that you can buy for it if you want it to be nice and tidy. So these are bad about especially the rear bushing being bad, but you can still see the bushings in this one. For identifying purposes, if you need one of the major housings, this number right here is what we like to get so we don't make a mistake, or you order by part number and it's subbed and doesn't give you enough information. So on these, we do oil samples on 3 oil samples. We do the planetaries and then the axle.